Hey guys, today we are trying to refresh this Audi key. As you can see, the buttons are all used up. There's no paint over here anymore, and the protective coating is peeling off. So removing the old one is pretty easy. All you need to do is take it off, but placing the new one is the tricky part. So I will show you that in a minute. And right now I just want to show you that you can buy something like this from AliExpress. There's going to be a link in the description below this video. It's not expensive. It's $1.58 with free shipping. You will have to wait for it for 2 or 3 weeks, but it's a cheap part. And now we're going to replace it, and we are going to see if this remote will look new again. It's a good moment to clean it up a little bit. And I need my torx screwdrivers. I have some prying tools as well. So let's get to it. There's a locking tab over here that will help you release the battery cover, which is over here. So let's pry it. Now there's a second lock over here, and we should be able to pry it up like that. Battery stayed here. I will remove it because I want to clean it. And we have 1, 2, 3 screws. And these 3 screws I'm going to remove with this T6 torx screwdriver. And now we can open it, but be careful because there's a spring mechanism for the flip key. So once we have this open, just a little bit, you can feel the spring tension over here, and the cover wants to rotate, so let it rotate. One rotation, I think that's everything that's over here. Remove it, and we can now see this white plastic lock. So let's slide it down. We should be able to slide it down. There's a lock over here that prevents it from moving, so if you pry it a little bit, you will be able to move it. And right now this pops out. You can place the new rubber button cover on it like this. Make sure that all edges are in place, so it will not stick out and it will not fall out from the remote assembly in your pocket. So, oh my god, the keyring. Now this goes here. This goes here. This goes here. We need to wind up the spring again. That's not enough. Okay, that's better. Close it. Insert those 3 screws back. Now clean it. This as well. And that's it. Okay, in the description below this video you will find a link to the online store, to AliExpress, to buy this cover. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.